Hello and welcome at Stocks Advisor channel. Here at our channel we are looking for interesting buy opportunities for US-based stocks. Today we'll talk about XL Fleet Corporation, ticker name XL, traded at New York Stock Exchange. Well, here we are still at the end of the trading session of today, and on these daily candles we see being at 118. At the moment, the question is where we're heading. Quick answer is we are heading down most probably, but still there is a chance for actually sudden move up, but momentarily it's actually quite bearish, and the reason for that we will now discuss. So first of all, in order to understand what was happening here, we had two declining levels or channels even. We can draw here quickly. So this was the first channel, then part of it actually, then it turned to this upwards move, then the second channel was formed. Again, here we had quite beautiful supportive action, and then we went higher, and then we see this volatility level, so it's undecisive. Tried to pierce it further with parallel movement, but now we see another decline. And what I don't like here is that this MACD histogram wave sounds like it goes for secondary wave. It's not decreasing, it's actually again going negative, meaning that it might form secondary wave, similar to what we saw here. You see, this was the first wave finishing, and then second wave started, also caused the price to decline. So looks like it's going to happen here the same. Again, we have here this black-white component, which also usually is quite negative, so meaning it should be like zigzagging, like this moving average 50, the blue line worked as a resist, so now we are heading down. And with this being said, we need to look historically where to go. Well, there is nothing to look historically actually where to go, no real resist support levels. Therefore we need to think of other indicators to be used to understand when actually the trend is reversing again, and that would be quite hard to understand. Of those we see here, it's a classical waving with moving average 20 and 50 and 200, meaning that when you have this pattern when moving average 20 goes down and then starts turning up, this could be indication of reversal once it starts flattening, as it was here seen in March. You see it was flattening here. Let's draw it quickly with the dashed line. So you see this flattening effect. Another flattening effect you can see here. Well, actually it means that you form these kind of levels. And we need to wait for another similar situation. This would be the safest play. Of course, it could suddenly go up, but this would be completely technically unfounded. So I would say it might go for another quite long descending, say, behavior. And if you just try to estimate it, so this was that long, now it's shorter, so it's actually decreasing, which is positive. Now it could be quite short, like this maybe. But still, the indication here, the clear indication would be that moving average 20 should go lower, and then on the rebounds, we should actually recover. And then could be a nice opportunity to buy. What still is possible, but again, rather less, it might have sudden increase, and actually after having the price action like this, could quickly rebound. This is also possible, but we will see it from the candles formation. So at the moment, it's a long wait period, I would say, and take into account really like extrapolation of these channels descending. I would say it's somewhere here below 1 in the vicinity of 80, 70. I would consider first entry, and we can't even speak about other entry opportunities. So for the moment, I would just say between 70 and even 85 somewhere would be the first entry opportunity, and then just keep some funds. We can come back to this if you like it in comments. If you say please do it again, we will come back. But for the moment, I would say be very cautious here. Split in 5 portions, classical play. Still buy with 1 portion for the first level, and then other 4 we just keep, let's say, with the question mark for further analysis. Because overall, it has very bad bearish indications, although, as I said, could be sudden rebounds, but this would be rather not technical, but more like new space. With this being said, that's all for XL Fleet. Still could decline, and was actually declining quite long period, so didn't find yet its reverse point, to my opinion. But this level should be quite nice to enter. If it really makes a sudden move down, then would be also piercing backwards. So that's all. Unfortunately, from technical point of view, not much we can do here, but it is what it is. If you like this way of analysis and risk mitigation, also check other videos. They are fresh, long period even after publishing, because the actions discussed there take place in a few weeks, usually a few days. So it means you can watch even older videos here and check the analysis there. Maybe when you like the pattern and you see it's forming, you can buy in and trade. So if you like this way of trading, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, press the bell button. This way you will not miss our new videos and new interesting discussions for US-based stocks.